Assalamu alaikum. In my previous lecture, we have learned first 3 days of a week in Urdu. In today's lecture, we are going to learn the remaining 4 days of the week in Urdu. Before this, I am going to repeat the first 3 days of a week. That are, please say it with me: Peer, Mangal, Budh. Now let's learn the names of remaining 4 days of the week. The fourth day of the week in Urdu language is Jumerat. Jumeirat. Yes, the fourth day of the week, Thursday, and in Urdu language, Thursday is said to be Jumeirat. Jumeirat. Yes, repeat it with me. Jumeirat. The day after Jumeirat is Jumma. Friday is said to be in Urdu Jumma.